Welcome this video gardening party home idea. Host a gardening party at home is a wonderful way to render special, enjoy natural and entertainment, entertain guests in the relaxed yard. Elegant atmosphere, whether it's beautiful baby show or a cast get together, a well planned gardening party can create last moment we lost. We explored various ideas to help your host the perfect gardening party. Cover theme, decoration, food, entertainment, and professional tip to a successful event. Choose a theme. A theme gardening party add charm to the event, make it feel more special. Here are a few theme ideas. Classic tea party. Inspire tea party with fun charm of plastic boho main. Choose a relaxed fresh summer with fan. Try to post and feel decoration. Tropical paradise. Bright color text flower features create aesthetic vibrant. Rustic farm house. Wood type run central price and a frame to table main. Romantic gardening. Soft light prints color and full arrangement. Create a drama experiment setting. Outdoor movie night. Set up a projector and screen. Provide choosy setting with from and movie theme. Set up the space. Set arrangement depend on the number of guests to and choice for long style set with cushion for a cozy embrace. Long budget table for a camel dining experience. Table and chair for a coffee like setup. Style with boho and low table for a choosy, relaxed feel. Lights, light play a choosy role inside the moon. Consider those other sticky light, access, tree and pagalo. Lecturing and course for a soft glow. Solar power gardening lights, woman part away. LED fixed light into full arrangement. Decoration. Decor should match your choice theme. Here are some idea. Table run and line that complement your color scheme. Fresh flower in various or the purple water cost. Wood signed or welcome guest. An element like paper lecturing or drama catch for a warm touch. Food and drink. Main idea. A gardening party. Main should functional light and fever. Consider main course. Glory soft. Server style. Style. Allow guests to sub theme, color and term and various or food, family style dining, sharing and canvas, breaking its do and photo style gardening, preparing pre choice brickering for each group, entertainment and exercise, music, create a stylish that's up to the mood of the event. Jazz for a relaxed atmosphere. Upper grade term for line gardening. Classic or entertaining for any elegant touch. Considering waterproofing